Okay, so I'm testing the CDI unit for my Suzuki RG125 Gamma engine using the digital multimeter. I've got the workshop manual open here, and there's a chart on what connections to check and what values you should get when you're testing them. So I know you probably can't see the chart here on the screen, so I'll put it up there in the video where you can see it as well. And so just looking at the top line here, it says connect the positive probe of the tester to the blue wire with the red tracer, and then the negative terminal goes, if we connect that to the red wire with the green tracer, then we should be getting a resistance of 13 kilo ohms. But if you watch the multimeter there, it starts off in the mega ohms, 13, 17, 18, and just keeps growing until we get an open circuit. I can test one of the other ones. So connect the negative probe to the white wire with the blue tracer, and again the positive, if it goes to the blue with the red tracer, it should be given 3 kilo ohms, but we're starting at 26, 27 mega ohms, and again that will keep increasing until we get an open circuit. Okay, so based on those tests, my initial conclusion was that the CDI unit was faulty, because obviously not getting the readings that I'm supposed to be getting. Luckily, it dawned on me that this workshop manual would have been written probably in the mid to late 80s, around the time the engine was made, and digital multimeters probably weren't that common at the time. So I decided to see if I would get any better results with an analog multimeter, and just prop this up where you can see the dial. So again, we go back to the white wire with the blue tracer, and we connect the positive to the blue with the red, and we are getting just under 3 kilo ohms, which is exactly what the chart says we should be getting. And if I test the first one we checked, which was the positive goes to the blue with the red, and the negative goes to the red with the green, we're getting, I don't know if you can see it there, but we're getting just under 14 kilo ohms. Again, exactly what we're supposed to be getting. I've tested all the other connections and getting the values that I should be getting, where previously when I'd done them all with the digital multimeter, I was getting readings that didn't make any sense. So I just wanted to show that in case that's useful for anybody else working with these engines, that they test with the digital multimeter and come to the conclusion that their CDI unit isn't working.